gente, bienvenidos al canal. Esta semana hoy tenemos una noche de estreno. Como puedes ver, estamos aquí en EPCOT, en el estreno de la nueva ride de Guardianes de la Galaxia. Solo vamos a transportar a Sandal, el planeta de los Guardianes de la Galaxia, y nos vamos a una grandiosa y exitosa persecución en la galaxia. Mi gente, te invito aquí desde EPCOT hacia el espacio en Gandalf con los Guardianes de la Galaxia. Noche de estreno, vamos allá.
Milky Way, a curious choice. Among the newly formed stars, at the end of the spiral arm of your Milky Way, is a star which you call Sun. Our planet. The Guardians were not. Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features a wide array of architectural styles, inspired by the many cultures and species who have traveled across the galaxy to call Xandar home.
Technology and innovative urban planning. From the start,
the people of Xandar.
After Nova Prime, our highest rank is that of Centurion. One of our most celebrated Centurions is Salvar. He is a core class.
Okay. Wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous route? Every Xandarian knows how you paid your life to save the rest of the Guardians that day of the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
Bueno, mi gente, estamos aquí en la nueva atracción de Guardianes de la Galaxia. Vamos de camino a Sandal aquí en esta nueva atracción, noche de estreno hoy. Somos de los primeros en nuestros videos latinos, aquí blogueros latinos estrenando esta atracción. Espero que te guste, mi gente, y vamos a disfrutar de la nueva atracción de Guardianes de la Galaxia. Vamos allá.
Okay, headed with a jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck! You're gonna need it. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
It's the only way back.
We got the generator.
Rocket, get us home!
Really helped. And it's destruction.
they deserve to be called heroes. But do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.